Hi, my name is Amy McMillan, and this is the third video for how to build a digital portfolio using Google Sites. So if you're watching this, you've already built your portfolio and you've added the required elements, including the Dear Reader page and written your reflections. This video will just show you how to add some optional elements like the About the Author page, the dedication page, and also a Creative Commons license. So let me just share my screen with you and get to my site. So here we are on my site. One of the optional elements is a Creative Commons license. So make a new tab and search for Creative Commons license in Google. Choose a license would be the best link, but any creativecommons.org link will do. And then you just find the part of the Creative Commons site which is where you choose a license, or you can put creativecommons.org/choose. Okay, so here we are on the license page, and it's going to ask you a series of questions that are completely up to you to answer. So license features, allow adaptations of your work to be shared. Well, that's up to you. I say yes, as long as others share it like. Allow commercial uses of your work. That means, can people use it with their businesses or make money off of it? So for me, my answer is no. You could stop there and you have a Creative Commons license just already made. This is what it looks like. Or you can add your name and help others attribute you. So I'm going to click on this blue link and I'll put the title of my work. I'll call it Amy's Digital Portfolio. Attribute your work to name. So how do you want people to give you credit? I'm going to put Amy M. Don't use your whole last name, please, for privacy purposes, unless you are no longer a student. And then now I have my license. It says Amy's Digital Portfolio by Amy M. It says it's licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution, Non-Commercial Share Alike 4.0 International License. Now, we can embed this code right here on our website. So select it and then press Command-C if you're on a Mac, Control-C if you're on a Chromebook, and then go back to your site. And I like to put it on the home page. So press Insert, Embed, and then by Embed Code here. Now paste the code you just copied. So on a Mac, it's Command-V, and on a Chromebook, it's Control-V. Then press Next. And here's what it looks like. I'm going to just insert that. And I can make this a little smaller if I want. I can move it over if I want. Yeah, and I'll just leave it like that. Let's take a look at what my home page looks like. So press the preview button. And I have a nice Creative Commons license here at the bottom. Now I'm going to X out of it. I noticed that my image credit is above it, so I'm actually going to move that down just because I think it'll look nicer like that. And maybe I'll move this back over to the side. You can fiddle around with it till it looks however you want it to look. Yeah, I'll leave that like that for now. Okay, the other optional elements are a dedication page. So you would just press Pages, press plus, new page, and call it dedication. Done. And I like it to be right next to the home page, but that's completely up to you. Now click on the light and press Insert, text box, and you would just type, this portfolio is dedicated to, or you can write, I dedicate this portfolio to. You can make the font bigger by pressing the down arrow and heading, or you can do subheading, whatever you want. You can also add an image to this page if you like. And then the other optional addition is an About the Author page. So you press Pages plus new page, About the Author, or About Me if you like, and press Done. And I like this About the Author page to be at the end. So I'm just going to grab it and pull it to the end. So it goes to the end of my top menu. Right now, I need to move it back a little bit. Yeah, there. Actually, it looks like it's a submenu for choice, so I got to move it. How do I do that? Hold on a sec. Let me put it up there, and then I'm just going to drag it down. There we go. Okay, so now it's here. So the About Me page is basically just the same as the About the Author on a book. You would first press insert and text box, and then you write in the third person. The main thing is here, just say your interests. Don't say where you live or any personally identifiable information. So I could say Amy is a junior high school English teacher. I'm not saying where I live. I'm not even saying the grade that I teach. She enjoys reading and writing her bullet journal. She has a dog named Tulip and an active imagination. Say a few things about yourself, maybe 3 to 5 sentences. And it's nice to include an image with it, but please don't include a picture of your face. I mentioned that I have a dog, so maybe I'll put a picture of my dog here. So let's see if I have one in my drive. So I'm going to press image and drive and see if I have any of my dog Tulip. Nope. I probably have one that I can upload from my desktop, but I'll do that another time. Meanwhile, I can just press images and search for an image of a Boston Terrier, which is what my dog is, and see if there are any here. Oh, tons. She looks mostly like a little bit like this one. And then looks like it's not Pixabay, so I might need to cite it. So I'm going to check that out in a second, but I'll go ahead and insert it. And then let's see if this needs to be cited. It says this work is public domain. That means I don't have to cite it and I can just leave it as is. Okay, so let's take a look at what my About Me page looks like. I press the preview. Good. And here's what it will look like on a tablet and on a phone. I'm going to X out of that. One thing that if I don't make this as long as my picture, I might want to put a text box above what I've written in the About Me to make it even with the picture. So see how that sort of evened it up? Now I'm going to press preview and take a look. Let me see the computer view. Yeah, that looks better, although I should write a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to X out of it. And that concludes the optional elements for your digital portfolio site. The final step is to publish it. So I'll make one more short video about how to publish your site. Thank you for watching.